Huge. Probably the biggest tiles I've ever seen.
I mean, I went in the bathroom. I went in the bathroom and the tiles in there were huge. I said, these are some huge tiles. Probably the biggest tiles I've ever seen. In fact, people tell me all the time they love the tiles in the bathroom.
No one's ever seen huger tiles.
No one's ever seen huger tiles. They tell me they're the hugest tiles anywhere. What? Yeah, it's shiny. I hope it flattens. What? Disco wall? Yeah, but like, I know you didn't put it on. Like, it's gotta flatten, right? I know. Yeah. So maybe it'll.
We do it the other way.
Yeah, I just want to make sure it doesn't end up being one of those things where we're like, that looks shitty.
No, it'll be okay. This year.
Yeah, but I'm mostly focused on like you can see the.
Yeah.
That shouldn't be like that. Like you're not gonna. Kevin, why do we have to buy all that extra wood? Just needed more.
We had it left over.
Yeah. Except that'll be brush steel or raw steel.
So we finally got some new walls put up. We got all the little aesthetics things going on now. We're working on the floor as well. And right now all the walls are getting painted. We're working on everything, cleaning it all out, making it all look really pretty for everybody coming in and getting ready to get this going. So I was talking to Dr. Sean about this as well. I was like, now that I'm seeing it all like physically and it all putting itself together, it makes me more excited to get this ball rolling, like getting more involved, and I feel like I'm really on the team now, you know? Like it just feels like a dream come true kind of thing. So my day-to-day, I go around town talking to people, doing more community involvement, really spreading the word of Active Life, what we are, what we do, and really helping the community know we're not just another gym trying to take over, take clients, anything like that. We're here to help other facilities as well. We want people to go back to these other boot camps or classes because they may have been in pain for so long, and now they have an opportunity to be with us for a while. We'll fix them up, then go back to doing their daily whatever they want to do. Go to a class at F45, Long Beach Strength and Conditioning, go back to a commercial gym nearby, anything and everything. So it's like, it's nice to be able to provide such a service to this place. Walking into this, you see this is where all the treadmills, boxes are going to be stored right over here, and I could really start seeing the vision of all the different stations. Now I'm seeing like the paint onto the wall, see the little boxes of where the TVs will go, where the iPads and everything along those lines will go. It's really nice to see it all being more colorful now. And then we're gonna have some assault bikes at every station, having our racks. So we wanna start people off going through our 4 phases where we're gonna start them out with understanding and building the foundation of what it is we do. We want people to know that we have to start from the ground up. We're gonna have to start in the beginning, and then we'll graduate them into the ascend phase where they're gonna start doing some more things, start building into what we've been working so hard to do, and then from there on is gonna be the acclimate phase where they're going to be growing, they're gonna be getting used to all the movements, they're gonna start doing all the fun stuff they did from the gym and applying it to outside the gym. Then from there on, they go into the autonomous phase where they'll just be in a class of other people who have also reached the autonomy, where now they're confident enough to perform all the movements, look at a program, be able to tell exactly what every movement is, tempo, rep range, RPE, everything along those lines. And that's where I believe a lot more community is going to be involved in here, is when they see a whole group of people on the same mission that they're on. which I'm the most excited about. There's going to be those two sections of you're working with us one-on-one and then graduating into autonomy, where you either want to stay with us because you want to, not because you need to, and then you could also, we recommend doing the things you want to do. That you said you wanted to go back to doing those classes, you wanted to go back to hiking without back pain or knee pain, go back to hanging out with your kids and not feeling like it's going to be the biggest chore of your life. That's what we do. Yeah, so I've been working with Kelly. She's the owner of Pearl, and she's been awesome. It's nice to see her. I have a consult tomorrow, and excited to get another person on board, get it people rolling, see how people react to it. When I was speaking to Kelly about it, she was like, you guys don't realize the extent of what you guys are doing for people. It's getting the job done. We're doing things that we weren't able to do before seeing you. And being able to do it for another person and then another person, it becomes more and more rewarding. Even though this place isn't physically open yet, we still have a small place where it's just a couple dumbbells, kettlebells, and like boxes, things like that. But people are still involved in the mission. It doesn't have to be this big, nice, fancy location for people to understand the value of what we're providing. I want to say November 14th is where I want to say like the second week of November is where I see us really fully operational. Everything is full 100% a go.